How to remove my Facebook account from other devices. So first of all, open up your Facebook. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now go to settings. Now tap on see more in account center. Now select password and security. Now tap on where you are logged in. Now select your Facebook ID. Now tap on select devices to log out. Now select the device you want to log out and tap on log out. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.